Hello, welcome to RJB's Career Support. In my previous video, I have explained how to increase the chances of getting more salary, also promotion. This video, I am going to specifically explain how to work or how to manage your work within 8 hours effectively so that you need not work more than 8 hours for the same task. So there are two categories of the people who are available. First category, they want to work to improve the financial condition of their family. This video is not applicable for them. The person who wants to improve the financial position of their family and they want to work more than 8 hours to earn the money. So please continue. Only my recommendation is take care of your health. The next category of the people who wants to work within 8 hours but they are not able to complete the work. So this video is specifically designed for the category second people. First and foremost important, please keep a mindset that your work is important, not you. As a individual, company or organization will look the work nature, not a individual. So please don't think that I am very important for this organization, I am very critical for this organization, so I have to produce more, I want to work more than 8 hours to impress the company management. Please do not think and keep the mindset away. So first and foremost point is your mindset should allow you to work only for 8 hours. First point. The second point, if you don't know during the working time for any task, please take the help from colleagues or ask your superiors how to carry out this work. Don't think and don't imagine yourself that this can be completed, this can be done. So don't keep dragging the work more than 8 hours. The third point, make a priorities of all the daily tasks. Do not use the smartphone available within your package to make a to-do list. Instead of that, I recommend you to use this small packet diary so that you can note down all your daily tasks and complete the daily task with a strike. Many times what will happen, if you look the smartphone and distractions will happen, so you are not able to complete the work within the available 8 hours. Fourth point, please do not carry out any personal work during office hours. If you carry out the personal works, that will kill your efficiency. Again, this will distract from your office work and again you will be going behind 8 hours. Fifth point, please create some attachment to the family. The attachment to the family will motivate you to work within 8 hours. Sixth, please involve some social service. The moment you involve with social service, what will happen? Your work-life balance will increase, so that you will get a peace of mind and also you will feel satisfaction. So this point will motivate you to work within 8 hours. Many of us worries about others. What will happen if I leave within 8 hours of the work? After 8 hours, if I leave the work, what will others will think about me? Let them think whatever they want. But the moment you complete the task within 8 hours, you get convinced that I have completed, you can very much leave your workplace after 8 hours. Many of us staying in the office unnecessarily thinking about others are staying. And finally, after reviewing all my points, still you feel that your work is heavily loaded and you have been heavily loaded to the particular task, please go and speak to your management. Already previous video I have explained what is the management. You should remember always your immediate boss, your 2 levels senior to them. So please go and meet them with a supporting document, the available work with yourself and why you are not able to complete the work within 8 hours. Keep a supporting document, have a friendly discussion with the management, and definitely they will consider, ask for additional resources. What will happen many times, we are not asking additional resources thinking that the management will mistake us, so why he is asking additional resources. No, they are not aware that you have been overloaded. So please keep a positive mind, go and speak to them and ask for additional resources. You will get surprised. Many times your request will be taken care of. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope I have made you to aware how to work effectively in 8 hours, not to work. I am not saying that don't work 8 hours, more than 8 hours, but effective process can be done within 8 hours. So thank you so much for watching the RJB's Career YouTube support, and namaste.